Okay, so the next example is cyclopentene and chlorine. So rather than adding hydrogens now, we're adding a halogen, okay? So first thing that we gotta do is draw everything out and see what's gonna happen. So cyclopentene, ene means double bond, pent means 5, cyclo means ring. So we have a 5-carbon ring with a double bond. So 5-carbon rings look like a house, and the double bond can go anywhere because it's always between carbons 1 and 2. Okay, chlorine is going to look like this. We got 1 chlorine here, and then I will draw another chlorine here. Okay, see what we're gonna get. Again, the base stays exactly the same. We just take away the double bond. So I got a 5-carbon ring. I'm gonna remove the double bond, and wherever there was a carbon with a double bond, I'm gonna add a chlorine. 1 here, and 1 here. Okay, again, if these were different atoms, if they weren't exactly the same, it would matter which went where. But because they are both chlorines, if I switch the positions of them, it's going to be exactly the same. So it doesn't matter here, okay? So again, I put my chlorines where the double bond carbons were, and all I got to do is name this now. 5-carbon ring, all single bonds. So I get cyclo pentane, because it's 5 carbons, all single bonds. I got chlorines on whatever carbons I want. Again, I get to choose the numbers, but again, I want the numbers to be as small as possible. So it just makes sense, rather than doing like 1 and 5, to do like 1 and 2. So we'll go 1, 2. There's 2 chlorines, so I have to write di, and then they're chlorines. So I got to write dichlorocyclopentane.